Hi, I'm Teresa Ornelas, and I'm excited to walk you through how to complete the form so that you can join me in the Bodyweight versus Gravity Fitness Bundle. Okay, so let's look at the computer, and I'm going to scroll down my computer. That's why my eyes are looking down. And we are here at the form. We're going to start by putting in our full first and last name on line 1. Make sure you enter your email address on line 2, because if you don't, when you try and submit the button later down at the bottom after doing your address, it won't go through. So just double check that you put your email address in line 2, that your phone number is in line 3. You can either search your mailing address here at line 4, or you can go to line 5 and just type in your full address. Then right below that, you've got your city name. Country picker, we've got the United States is down there. Pick up your state here and then enter your zip code. The agreement, please agree to the I have 100% satisfaction guarantee. If I show up and follow the program but feel not satisfied with my experience, I have within 30 days of my purchase to attempt to personally work with you to find a solution, or I can request 100% of my money back. I'll try my best and feel good knowing there's a satisfaction guarantee. Pretty easy, right? Pretty sweet. So then you just click that, and once you've completed everything, we'll go through to step 2.